I never thought I'd be so excited about tulips, but this is gorgeous. We're in dangerous territory now.
People are lined up for ice cream like every day of the week here.
Fresh caught today. They just pulled it out today. I'm Tammy and this is my husband Scott. We are two artists who, when faced with mounting health challenges, decided, you know what? Life's way too short. So we sold our home and most of our stuff to move into a home on wheels. Along with Gracie and Jasper, we've hit the road full time in search of new landscapes and experiences. We'd love to have you join us as we navigate our way through this RV lifestyle. And until further notice, our mission is explore, create, and inspire. We are having Tulip Tuesday. It happens to be the Tulip Fest in Mount Vernon, and we were so close by we thought we'd come check it out. This is the RoozenGaarde Tulip Farm.
Pretty awesome.
It's like we're in Holland, or what I would imagine Holland to be. I never thought I'd be so excited about tulips, but this is gorgeous.
How many tulips did they plant?
I don't know, we'll find out, but it's beautiful. And it just so happened that we're here during the Tulip Festival, so that worked out pretty awesome.
You got these long rows of different colors of tulips with the the North Cascades draped behind with snow on them. It's just incredible.
All right, we're gonna go exploring.
I'm cutting my head off.
Oh, sorry, I can't see. We're gonna go check out some more tulips.
All right, let's go.
These are my favorite color ones right here.
It's hard work. Somebody's got to do it.
That little yellow one is coloring outside the lines. He's in the purple row. I tell you, these yellow ones are little rebels. Keep finding them in other rows of colors. I like those yellow ones. I like the rebel tulips. All right, are you getting sick of looking at tulips yet? Sorry, it's just so beautiful. I can't help myself. We'll see what else we can find today. But man, you gotta check this out. And a bald eagle just flew over. Of course, I didn't get it on video. I'll keep trying. Thank you for very grumpily buying me my bouquet of tulips.
I wasn't grumpy.
We're gonna go check out the SnowGoose Market just outside of Connor. We drove by during the part of the Tulip Festival and the line was like a mile long. So we kept driving. And we're hoping it's a Tuesday and it's kind of slow. Maybe we'll actually get in the door and check it out. It looks super cute.
Like a popular place.
I got burning feet from hot asphalt. A voice within me tells me don't go home. So I run until my feet give out. I jump a little higher to clear the ground.
Okay, now that we're in Washington, we no longer hunt for agates and driftwood.
Well, not yet.
We've got local wines. We've got local tulips. We've got local multi-grain bread.
You can't take much with you doing the RV life. So we just get little tokens, like we got this magnet of the Tulip Festival for a little memento. and we have to come back. I'm doing keto right now, and it's torturous because they were making fresh waffle cones and fresh homemade ice cream in there, and people were lined up, and it smelled heavenly. So it was a tad torturous.
And we had to pass up the coconut macaroons. The fish selection wasn't great, so we're gonna go look for a bona fide fish market here.
Yeah, I think we're gonna go to Black Rock Fish Market and check that out next. Why did the chicken cross the road?
I don't know, but he was holding up an awful lot of traffic.
Yes, we saw a chicken cross the road and stop traffic.
Trying to remember my new way home, but habit sometimes steers me down your road.
We're in dangerous territory now. Scott decided we needed to stop at the Pickle Barn art show, and there's fresh baked pies. Not only did we have to bypass ice cream, now I'm seeing pies across the street too. We're surrounded by fresh baked pie, adorable side stand farm deliciousness. Maybe we should get a pie for my birthday.
Yeah, that sounds like an idea.
But then I have to last how many days and not eat it. I don't know if I have that much self-control. Okay,
it's your birthday week.
Oh, that's true.
Birthday week.
I'm never gonna lose RV weight. Let's go check out the Pickle Barn.
Show me how it's done, 'cause baby, I've been trying with no luck. Oh, just can't look. I can't bear the thought of seeing you with someone new. Oh, I swear I'm almost over you. Sometimes I find I switch off and I start to drive streets that no longer are my own.
Well, that was fun. I went with the strawberry rhubarb pie. This place is super adorable. Check that out. All the flowers, all the farm fresh goods. We got some eggs. Oh.
No longer on my own. I keep driving your way home.
Well, after our art and pie detour, we finally made it to the Black Rock seafood joint. So we're gonna go check that out, see if we can find some fresh fish for dinner.
It looks like it's just in somebody's house.
Yeah, it had really good reviews, so let's go see. It looks like they have crab pots and fishing boats, so it looks like they go do the catching. Let's go check it out. Super nice guys, and the seafood market. So we got halibut, fresh caught today, and we're gonna grill that and try that tonight. It's so fun going to the local markets for stuff. Anyway, gonna go cook some dinner next. Thank you for the tulips, babe. All right, we're going to cook up some dinner. Do you want some of this amazing fresh artesian bread from the local bakery?
Wow.
It smells delicious. Some red wine, Tulip Festival red wine.
Okay.
I don't know how good that's gonna be, but you have to do it just for the label. It's so pretty. It's a little artwork there. Broccoli and halibut, just for the halibut. Fresh caught today. They just pulled it out today. We like that a lot.
I know that there is nothing stopping me. No physical presence that I can't see.
Till further notice, I'm gonna be eating this halibut and trying out this artisan bread.